Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got from Laura Lee's clothing brand Nudie Patootie. Now, as you guys know, Nudie Patootie was her eyeshadow palette for Laura Lee Los Angeles, but now she has a clothing store and it is called Nudie Patootie, and it's literally the cutest store I've ever seen in my entire life. I'm just saying. Now, I actually did not know she was coming out with a clothing store. I remember seeing like a coming soon Nudie Patootie. Honestly, I thought it was going to be a skincare brand, but whenever Nick Snyder had tweeted like, congratulations Laura Lee, or whatever it was on Twitter, he's a drama channel by the way, I was just like, oh shoot, it launched. I wonder what it is. So I clicked on it and then it was a clothing store and I was like, wait a minute. All this stuff was pretty cute and everything was like so reasonably priced that I was just like blown away. Because usually when people come out with clothing brands, it's like way too ridiculously expensive for what you're getting. So I'm just like, girl, work. So pretty much everything was sold out by the time I clicked on it, and even though I had just launched. So I was just like, okay. I really wanted this really cute like fuzzy cardigan, which I do plan on buying whenever she restocks, plus a couple other things. Maybe I'll pop in a few images because this isn't going to be a very long video. I just want to do like a mini little haul, but maybe I'll pop some images up of things that I do plan on buying because so cute. The aesthetic of her website, so cute, and I'm excited to show you what I personally got. So if you guys are enjoying these haul videos for me, then give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Real quick before we do get into the video, if you haven't seen my last clothing haul, definitely go check it out. If you haven't seen my Poshmark mystery unboxing from Dominic DeAngelis, you know, Dommy D. He's a YouTuber. He has over 100 million subscribers. I unboxed some hoodies that he sent me. Well, I bought them, but whatever. And just check the comments. He said he loved me, so therefore, you know, we're getting married soon. Just kidding, but go check it out. I was just like over there having a ball. It's only like a 5-minute long video, but I don't know. I was really happy. So anyways, we're gonna get into this. Here is my Nudie Patootie order. I'm just gonna open it really quick so you guys don't like hear the sound of me ripping it open. Oh, it came with a little Nudie Patootie sticker. I'm gonna put that on my laptop. That's so cute. Love that she added a little sticker. Unless it was just an accident because it's the same sticker for like doing her clothes. Anyways, here is a little card that comes in here. Like, this is the aesthetic of her brand. So cute. Loungewear, hats, bags, shorts, skirts, accessories, wallets, tops, earrings, loungewear, did I say that? Anyways, that's exciting. Follow us on the gram at Nudie Patootie. I can't wait to see your looks. Share using hashtag Nudie Patootie XO Lara. Nudie Patootie, nudiepatootie.com. So cute. This is like the cutest little like card ever. Love that. Keeping that. And then here's my little order number. And I just got one thing. I did not get it in my size. I usually wear like a size large, but I got it in a medium because I did get the cloud knit robe. This was $40, which I still think is like reasonably priced. And it comes packaged, well, I just ripped it. Well, it did come packaged all nice together with like her little sticker. But since we kind of ripped it open, oh, look how cute this is. The little tag, Nudie Patootie. Cute. Cute. Okay, so I got this robe. I'm telling you, this is going to be a really short little haul, but yeah, this is the cloud knit robe, you guys. I live in a robe. Plus, this can also be actually dressed like casual, and you can wear it with jeans, so it doesn't have to be a robe. It can be like a robe like outfit type situation. It's really cute. It's really faint. These like little tiny stripes going across. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but like it's like based white, and then the little puffs that come out are like a light beigey off-white color, and then that same color is like these little stripes here and there. I think it's so cute. And then like the bottom has that. They had this in a different color, but I honestly just really liked it in this color. It has a really weird factory scent to it. This is from the Listicle brand. But this is so cute. Okay, wait, I want to see if this is gonna actually like fit or if I needed a large. Oh, absolutely not. This fits for sure. Yeah, this would fit as a medium. So if you're a large, depending on like what size large, if you could wear some medium like sweatshirts and stuff, then the medium would be fine for you. If not, then definitely wait for the large. But no, this one is so good, and it has pockets. Exciting. Isn't this supposed to come with like a robe strap? Oh, it does. I dropped it. Here's the little robe strap. Super cute. Honestly, it's just like a piece of fabric made into a robe. It's not even like an actual strap. It's just like a cut piece of fabric, but it's stretchy, kind of, but cute. Let me just get up. Hold on. Yeah, it's, I'm like 5'1". I don't know how to do this, but it like goes right past my booty cheeks, so that's good. And I can tell you it's definitely warm because I'm getting hot. Let me just tie this up here so you can see. Oh yeah, robe, girl. This is cute. And I can definitely see how this can be worn up and worn down. But this is cute. You can even wear this just as a cardigan. It definitely does not have to be a robe. But yeah, this is so cute. Love this. This was such a good purchase, you guys. Yes. Like, let's look at the detail. Hold on. I know this is like so long for one thing, but look how cute this is. This is the sleeve detail. And it gets into like this material. And then right here it gets into this detail. And then like right here, it's like, it's not like all like cohesive. There's definitely like some sporadicness to it, which is so cute. But yeah, I really like this. It's so pretty, nice, and I cannot wait to wear all of the time. Anyways, that's it for this video. I know this is kind of random, but this is kind of like something I would probably post to like Instagram, but I don't feel like it. I wanted to make it a YouTube video, so this is the one thing I got from Nudie Patootie because everything else sold out. But I'll definitely make more purchases because I would love to support her. And plus everything, like I said, is reasonably priced and like super cheap. So, well, not super cheap, but like reasonably priced, if that makes any sense. But yeah, super excited about this. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this little bit of a haul. I probably won't even edit this video. I'll just post it and be like, hey, we're chilling, see what I got. But anyways, that is it. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Did you buy something? I know some people DM'd me and said they bought the exact same robe because they were like in love when they saw it. But yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!